Cybersecurity for Dummies. Cybersecurity, ever heard of it? Don't be a dummy. Secure your internet, including all those devices connected to that internet. Here's an outline of what we'll cover. Why is cybersecurity a big deal, even for dummies? The internet's dark alleys, an introduction to threats. Choosing the right armor, essential cybersecurity tools and measures. The art of password creation, the absolute do-nots. Play safe, stay safe. Tips to keep your computer from turning into a zombie. And then we'll look at the conclusion. I'll try to present a humorous look at internet safety. Don't be a dummy. Learn how simple habits can shield you from cyber threats. Remember that cybercrime is no laughing matter. On the right, you see some statistics of all the nasties that are out there facing us every day. Here's a quick introduction to all the threats we face daily. Spyware. Spyware, like the creepy stranger in the parking lot, watches your every move on the web. Unsafe websites. Just like you wouldn't wander into a dangerous neighborhood, avoid unsafe websites with caution signs aplenty. Phishing scams. Phishing scams are like a con artist tricking you into giving them your wallet, password. Hacking. Hackers, the pirates of the cyber sea, plundering your precious data chest. Online harassment. Online harassers, or e-trolls, love to live under the e-bridge, throwing nastiness at passers-by. Antiviruses. Antiviruses are your knights in shining armor, protecting your digital domain from all sorts of foul beasts. Here's a list of 6 essential cybersecurity tools and measures. Password. It's like underwear. Don't share it, change it often, and the longer the better. Firewalls. They're like digital doorkeepers. They keep the cyber boogeyman away. Antivirus software. Your personal cyber bug zapper. Two-factor authentication. It's like a second lock on your digital door. Routine updates. Like regular checkups, keep your system healthy. Public Wi-Fi. Beware, it's like a public restroom. You never know what you might catch. The art of password creation. The absolute do-nots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not so fast. If 1, 2, 3, 4 or password is your secret code, then a toddler could probably guess it. Keep it complex and unique. Your dog's name? Really? Avoid using your dog's name, your birth date, or anything easily guessable as your password. Not unless you want your dog to start handling your emails. Password 123 is not so clever. You'd think adding a 123 after password makes it secure, right? No, it's still guessable. Try harder. Mix your capitals and smalls. Throw in some symbols and numbers. Change is the only constant. Constantly changing your password is like moving your hidden chocolate stash around. It's harder to find it. It's not in the same place all the time. Play safe. Stay safe. Tips to keep your computer from turning into a zombie. Avoid online boogie monsters. Enhance security. Keep creepy crawlies out. Prevent identity theft. Don't let strangers become you for free. Keep your money safe. Cyber banks are harder to rob than real ones. Say no to spam. Less time deleting, more time laughing at cat videos. And there you have it, folks. Your express ticket to surfing the digital waves with confidence and gliding past those internet sharks. The cyber world doesn't have to be a scary place if you have the right tricks up your sleeve. So venture forth bravely, armed with your newfound cybersecurity knowledge. Remember, a safe internet journey is no joke, but that doesn't mean you can't have a laugh along the way. Happy surfing! Congratulations, you're no longer cyber dummies. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.